Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in previous class, already we started chapter 13 note, coins, and notes. So, what are the coins we are using in our daily life, children? 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, and 10 rupees. Now, what are the notes we are using, children? 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, and 10 rupee notes. Note. Now, everyone open page number 75, children. 13.4. If yes, which coin? Okay, do you have a piggy bank? Yes or no? So, do you have a piggy bank, children? If you have piggy bank means tick it yes. Yes. If yes, which coins and notes do you have in your piggy bank? So, what type of coins and notes in your piggy bank, children? What would you like to do with that money in your piggy bank? Share it with your teacher. Okay, you are having piggy bank, no, children. So in that, which coins and notes you have in your piggy bank? So coins, notes unnai, and what would you like to do with that money? So here, what you have to do with that money, children? So you want to buy any playing things, or you want to buy any books? What you want to do, children? What you want to do with that money? You have to share with me. Next, turn to next page. See, children, page number 76, 13.5. Observe the two notes. Discuss a few differences that you see between the two in your class. Okay, observe the two notes. Discuss a few differences that you see between the two class. Okay, children, so here I will say one difference. You have to think the difference between these two notes and share with me. See here, what is the value of this note? 20 rupees. And what is the value of this note? It is 50 rupees. So what is the difference between these two, children? If you observe the color, so the colors of the two notes is different. Am I correct? Yes. The colors of the two notes is different. And if you observe the size also, children, the size of 20 rupees is bigger and the size of 50 is smaller. Okay. And after that you have to observe the Gandhi's picture. Okay. How to think and think what is the difference between Gandhi picture in the 20 rupees note and 50 rupees notes. Okay. Here you have to clearly observe these two notes and find the difference. Okay, children. Next, 13.6. Collect different coins. Place them under the paper in the space below. Take a pencil and scratch on top of the coin. See what you get. Okay. Collect different coins. So different coin means you have to collect 50 pice, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees. Like that you have to collect any coins and place them under paper in the space below. Here space, no, children. You have to place the coin below the paper. So ikkada pettaru. You have to place the coin below the paper and scratch on the top of each coin. Okay, you have to scratch on top of each coin. Okay, children, for example, you have to imagine this is rupee coin. You have to place here. Okay, you have to place here. Okay, you have to place here. Now here you have to take pencil to scratch the coin like this. Okay, you have to place the coin below the paper and take a pencil and scratch the top of the coin. You will get like this. Okay, children, everyone do this activity. What you have to do this? You have to take coins and place them below the paper and scratch it with using pencil. You will get the shapes like this. Okay, children, this is about today's class. Everyone do the given activity, children. You have to take coins and scratch it with pencil. You will get the coins like this. Okay, children, I think are you clear about this activity, everyone? So everyone do this activity and send to me. Okay, children, this is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.